welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a taste test video. So I've got some New Zealand food today and it's just like snacky food that I found at a confectionery shop. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing I have is a Pixie Caramel. So it's a dark chocolate covered chewy caramel. It looks like this. And yeah, it sounds pretty nice. So let's give it a go. Oh, crumbling everywhere. Alright. That's hard. That's actually quite good. It sort of just tastes like a Mars bar. It's like that Mars bar sort of, like it's got the caramel in the middle and then dark chocolate. It's very nice. It's like a Mars bar, but you know how like a Mars bar has the actual caramel in it. It's like without that. That is very good. I would definitely buy that again, and it's definitely getting eaten later. Give that one a thumbs up. Okay, next I have, let's try something else. These are Spaceman candy sticks. So I don't even know what these are. I don't know what they mean by candy sticks. Let's open them. Oh, they're like mustard type things. Oh, can't even get it out. So the inside the box looks like this, if you can see that. And then they're like these little sticks. I don't really like musk, but we'll give it a go. Oh my god, it's incredibly hard. Oh, you can't even chew it. The flavour's not bad, but they're a bit hard to eat. Like, they're really hard. You can't like chew it. The flavour's like a cross between a banana lolly and strawberry. Like, it's that like strawberry banana type flavour. It doesn't actually say a flavour on here at all, but that's what it is. But yeah, they're just really hard to eat. Like, it's really hard. They're alright. I wouldn't buy them again. But I mean, yeah. Okay, next thing I have is a licorice choc log. Now I think this is probably going to taste like a bullet. You know, those little licorice chocolates, like lollies with like chocolate on the outside. I think this is probably what this is going to taste like. But I love those, so I will probably like this. Oh, can't even open it. There we go. Oh, it even looks like a bullet. Oh, hang on. It's the other way around though. So this one has chocolate in the middle rather than on the outside, like a bullet. So it's like the opposite way around. That's cool. Alright. That's good. Yeah, tastes like a bullet. Actually, it's even better than a bullet. That is nice. I would definitely buy that. They had raspberry ones as well. That would probably be pretty good too. But that's really good. That is really yummy. Alright, I'm going to try some chips now. So these chips are cheese and bacon rations for ultimate hunger at space. So they're by Bluebird, but I don't think it's like the Bluebird that we have in Australia with all like the Bluebird, so they have like nuggets and stuff, I don't know. But anyway, they're pretty much cheese and bacon balls, I think. they smell exactly the same as cheese and bacon balls. Like little puffy things. They're good. They are good. It's actually a pretty full packet. Like, I mean, it's not completely full, but in terms of chip packets these days. They are good. They taste exactly the same as cheese and bacon balls. Oh yeah, next I have, I don't know why, but Rob really wanted me to get these. So these are, they're just malt biscuits. So I think they're just going to be like a plain biscuit, but Rob really wanted to try them. So this one's for you, Rob. Completely just ruined the packaging. Oh, they're really thin. Like really thin. And it's like a weird colour. They're literally like an Arnott's original biscuit. Not really complaining about it, but they're nothing special. They're just a plain biscuit. Hope you enjoyed those, Rob. Okay, next I have a Whittaker's Slab. Now it's a LMP, which is their drink with white chocolate. So it's like a lemon drink / white chocolate. I don't know how this is going to taste, but give it a go. Oh gosh. Why do they make things so hard to open? Oh, nope, that didn't work. Oh my god, I can't open it. Alright. Okay, now that I've got it open. Oh, it's like... Okay, so it just looks like a normal piece of white chocolate. Alright. I can't tell if I like it or I hate it. It's like a lemon lolly that they've mixed with white chocolate. Like it's nice, but it's like, it's actually very lemony, like it's very overpowering, but it's like nice at the same time. I think I'd probably buy that again because it's nice, but it's just different. But I like it. Next I have a triple chocolate chunk cookie. This is by Cookie Time. I'm pretty excited for this, I love cookies. And it's a giant cookie, so who doesn't like cookies? Yeah. Oh my god, why can't I open these things? Far out. Okay, there we go. Okay. Far out, so big. I mean, it's not even amazing. It's just like... I mean, the cookie's good, but for a triple choc cookie, there's hardly any chocolate in it. There's a few like white chocolate pieces, but that's pretty much it. It's a nice cookie, but I was expecting a lot of chocolate, but there's hardly anything in there. Still nice. I'd still probably buy it if I wanted a cookie. A little bit disappointed. This is the last food thing I bought, and then I have one more other thing. But these are also by the Bluebird brand. These are a classic kiwi onion dip flavour. So onion chips. And I know what they're going to taste like, but let's have a go. Ooh. Oh, they're like little crinkle cut, like very small crinkle. That's cute. Alright. They're good. They just taste like cheese and onion chips. Like that Smith has. Smith have? Yeah, that. They just taste like those. But they're not, they're just onion, they don't even have cheese, but they taste like that. Anyway. I would eat those. I could probably eat the whole bag, but I'm not going to. I like them. Now, the last thing I have is the LMP drink. So this is, it just says good lemony stuff. So it's just like a lemon squash or solo, and that's what was in this chocolate bar. So they mixed this with white chocolate. Interesting. Alright, let's test it. I've had this in the fridge so it's nice and cold. Ooh, it's, oh gosh, it's really bubbly. It would explode. Okay, it's all good. That's a little disappointing. Honestly, it's not that lemony. Like, this chocolate bar was so, like, it was so lemony, and I thought that that's what this would taste like, but this is just like, it tastes like soda water mixed with like a little bit of like lemon juice or something. Like, it's not very lemony at all. It's more like soda water flavour. I don't know, that's disappointing. I thought it would have more flavour to it, but that's a bit of a letdown, I guess. Well, anyway. So that's the end of my taste test video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a like and subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload. Let me know if you've tried any of these foods, like what ones you like the best, or if you're from New Zealand, what else should I try? Or if you have any suggestions of other countries' food that I should try, let me know. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next week. See ya.